Hello everyone. Welcome to Veracitiz Solutions. In today's video, we will be demonstrating how to retrieve the file content from Google Drive and then add or update the document to the Watson Discovery service via IBM App Connect. Open AppConnect from IBM Service Catalog list and launch AppConnect. Go to Catalog, search Google Drive and click on Connect, then click on Continue. To add client ID and client secret, first create free account on Google Cloud. Go to Google Cloud dashboard and enable Google Drive API. Go to OAuth consent screen, select user type as external, click Create. Give app name and select your email ID and click Save and Continue. Go back to dashboard and in testing section click on Publish App. In Credentials menu, create new OAuth credentials. Select application type as web application. In Authorized Redirect URI, copy and add URI given by IBM App Connect. Open newly created credentials and copy the client ID and client secret. Add these credentials to App Connect. Your Google Cloud account will be successfully linked with AppConnect. To configure Watson Discovery, go to Catalog, search for Watson Discovery and click on Connect. Copy and paste your Watson Discovery URL and API key into the AppConnect. Watson Discovery would be successfully linked to your AppConnect. Create an event-driven flow from the Home tab. In Toolbox, create a scheduler. We will set it to run every minute. Also enable Run the Flow when it's first switched on. Now, add the Google Drive extension to the flow. In this case, we want to retrieve all files from the specific drive folder. For that, get folder ID and apply the condition by specifying the drive folder ID. From Toolbox, add for each node and set the input type to File Collection. In the loop, insert Google Drive node to download file, pass the file ID and type of file as PDF. Add Watson Discovery's update or create document node. Choose your discovery environment and collection. Select file name as source and file ID as source ID from the For Each Loop dropdown. Select payload input type as base64 encoded. Choose file content and name from the download file option. Start the flow. The status will change to running. We can see that all the documents of folder are added to the Watson Discovery from the Google Drive. Hope this helps your business. Thanks Thanks for watching the video. For any future information, connect with us on www.veracitiz.com.